today I'm gonna be transforming myself into I hope I did it justice. I love her channel. I love her look. This isn't really a tutorial. She already has a tutorial on how to do her makeup. It's kind of just like I'm bored as fuck and it's a Friday night and I haven't done anything except for lay down all day because I have no life. And I was binge watching her videos and I was like, you know what? I feel like I kind of look like her. I got dark hair, so that makes me kind of look like her, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I even literally just set up this Kingdom Hearts poster just for this video. Does she even play Kingdom Hearts? My boyfriend actually got it yesterday and he wanted to put it up and I kind of surprised him, so he's gonna be surprised when he gets home. It is currently 7:30 and it's my first time getting out of bed all day. I'm gonna watch her video on how she gets ready and go off of that for how I get ready. Hopefully we end up looking a little bit like her, like a little bit at least. Wow, okay. Is that better? So I think her most recent makeup look is the one where her boyfriend is voicing the video, so I'm gonna go off of that video.
Well, I'm gonna rub this stuff on my face.
So I think she used like a serum and then she used a primer. The only serum I have is hyaluronic acid and I got this from TJ Maxx. We're on a budget over here. I don't even know if that was actually a serum. I don't know what it was, but I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer.
I'm gonna take this ball. It's practice for my teabagging sessions.
Okay, she has a sponge. Success! But we do not have the same skin type, girl. My face is about to be looking cakey. So I'm gonna take Revlon Color Stay. I never use sponges, so this is odd. Do you see all this redness? Girl, this redness needs a brush to cover it. I don't really get the whole sponge hype. Maybe I just haven't used them enough. This is taking me about 5 times the amount of time it takes me with a brush. Okay, so now she's using a contour, and once again, I don't have that. But I do have this new Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. We really need to get tan in here. We're looking pasty. Finally, a product that I have.
Modern Renaissance, as you all know, I am a fan of pigments. Now I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna brush all over my eye.
She has a very defined crease or a shallow eye socket, like whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna take the bronzer right in the crease. Going to take that. Now I'm going to take that pink shade and we're going to put that all over our eye just like as she did. So she's using kind of like a taupey gray color. It literally looks identical to Tease in the Naked palette. So this is so weird. So now she's using a concealer.
I'm gonna take the shittiest eyelashes possible. Now I'm gonna take some black thing.
Okay, so I actually have this eyeliner too. I feel like her wings aren't that thick.
Shade of my face. Yeah. A little pod of Laura's ashes.
Definitely don't have that.
I'm gonna take this stuff. This is part
So she takes a big old fluffy brush and just pats it on.
The part where I turn.
Damn, I'm learning things today.
Take this glow kit. Oh, this is the part. So this is the best time. I'm gonna take
So I have the glow kit too.
I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna make this part of my face really shiny. So I can go up to my boyfriend and keep asking him, babe, check that highlight though.
Okay, so she's taking the bottom two. I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Dewy Mist. Did she wipe off her face yet? I feel like she wiped off her face. Hold on. Okay, I feel like we should wipe this powder off before we continue. Now she's taking a neutral eyeliner for her waterline. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use a white eyeliner.
Boyfriend's favorite lipstick, Stone. God.
Okay, so I don't have that color, but to get it, I'm going to try NYX's Lip Lingerie in Corset. Her lips are much more nude than mine, but I really don't have a color that's that nude.
I'm gonna just keep making my eyelashes really defined.
I do have a Better Than Sex mascara, so we're gonna put that on our bottom lashes. She literally has her hair different in every single picture on Instagram. Oh my god, my hair's crazy. So today I'm gonna just do this ponytail picture. It looks like this. It's kind of up, kind of cute. So let's do it. You want to turn on your straightener, folks? Her hair is always messy looking, and honestly, it's iconic. I love it. I feel like messy is just like her vibe. Like messy but put together. Like messy but cute as fuck. Like messy but a bad bitch. You know what I'm saying? So you want to leave a pretty good chunk in the front.
Hello friends, it's me, and today I'm sick. So I'm gonna sound sick.
Her hair is so crazy. Okay, I'm really trying here, guys. My hair, it's either up or down. Like, I feel like her hair is like half up, kind of like, I don't even know how she does this, guys. Like, it's so messy. This is looking pretty accurate, to be honest. I'm gonna pull that length out. Like, look at her hair in this. Literally no fucks given, but still cute as fuck. Like, please teach me your ways. So now we're just gonna curl these pieces. I don't think she really curls her hair. I think her hair is kind of like mine, where it's just naturally a little wavy, but I'm gonna curl these front pieces. now time for the outfit. Are we looking sniper wolfified? Let me try to find something that she kind of wears often. I know she wears leggings all the time, so we're definitely gonna have to put some of those on. This is what I'm gonna do. She has just a striped shirt on, and I'm gonna go get a choker too. So I'll be back. I forgot a step. Dry shampoo. I literally have no place to show you everything that I'm wearing except for on my bed, so we're getting an on the bed shot. So this is the outfit. This is actually a bracelet. Okay, don't mind it. Don't mind it. I really did some engineering for this thing today. Hello, I'm a dental hygienist, a YouTuber, and an engineer in one. Just got this crop top. I got on a Victoria's Secret bombshell bra because, you know, she has like D's and I got B's. This is for B's and it makes you a D, so. And then we got the leggings. My dog is on the ground. This is a mess. A big mess. There she is. Just taking up the whole ground. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more transformations, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to join the wolf pack. Ow, ow! I know my nose is like 2 feet longer than hers is, and I'm like, just stop lying. Stop with your lies. But yeah, he knows damn right Sniper Wolf is literally every man's dream. I don't know. My lips are small. Nyla, can you subscribe to join the wolf pack? You're your only dog. You really need to join a pack. She's sick of my shit.